Everyone, I'm Jeep Mama and I'm out here in my garage continuing on with my top 5 must-have series. Today I'm going to continue with the top 5 must-have personal items for yourself. We're going to start with good shoes. I like something that's lightweight because your feet are going to be on that pedal all day. So I like these hiking shoes, these Merrell hiking shoes. They're lightweight and they're great when you're out on the rocky terrains, when you have to get out and maybe look to see, pick your line or see what you may have just hit. So a good pair of shoes. And you may also want to have a pair of water boots too, just in case you have to get in the water. But sometimes that water may be higher than your knees. So a good pair of water boots might not work in that particular situation. Number 2, water bottles. Now I like these Jeep water bottles because they're Jeep water bottles. Fill them up with water because you're going to need to stay hydrated on the trails because, you know, even though you're in your Jeep, sometimes with your air conditioner on, sometimes not, you still need to stay hydrated because it's very exhausting out on the trails all day long. Number 3, hats. You never know when you might need an extra knit hat in the wintertime. I like my Jeep knit hat from All Things Jeep. And in the summertime, you're going to want to keep the sun off your face. So a good baseball hat always comes in handy. Jeep hair don't care. Number 4, these are a pair of pants and a t-shirt. So you're going to want to have a change of clothing because you never know when you'll get muddy or wet and you don't want to sit around all day in those muddy, wet clothes. So number 5, chapstick. You want to keep your lips nice and moist because when you're out on the trails, that wind and being out in the elements really does a number on your lips. So a nice, good chapstick is number 5.